Going on, guys? What's up? What's up? Streaming from the office. Got the got the hat on. Take that off. Hair's probably all messy. What's going on, guys? Give you guys a couple of minutes to come on in to the chat while I get my herded. See what's going on around the market while we are waiting. So everyone's waiting for altcoins to start popping off, eh? It's yeah, a lot of people are getting impatient. I mean, I've talked a lot about how the cycle actually works. If we're starting to see Bitcoin popping off, but we're not really seeing altcoins popping off yet, it's actually kind of a good thing. I mean, it's a good sign that Bitcoin's starting to run. We're starting to see Bitcoin suck the air out of the room, which means Bitcoin is about to go on a massive run, in my opinion. And then we'll probably start to see altcoins afterwards, really start to follow suit and catch up. That's generally what happens. And then what happens is altcoins will end up outperforming Bitcoin, right? So it's just hurry up and wait right now. Hurry up and wait. I wonder if anybody's gonna make it into the chat today. I know it's kind of an odd time that I'm streaming right now, so we'll kind of see what happens, guys. But just gonna look around the market right now. Jasmine looking at 1 cent 944. $960 million market cap. Volume's down to 48 million. I'd like to see some volume, guys, if we're gonna start to move. Of course, I mean, like I said, all the volume is pouring into Bitcoin right now, so we're not really going to see any volume out of the altcoins for the next little bit, anyway. So we got to wait for Bitcoin to run. What is Bitcoin doing right now, by the way? 68.4, made it as high as 68.9. I thought it broke. I thought that it broke 69K today, didn't it? Could have swore that it did. Yeah, 68.4 right now, guys. As we continue to get these solid candle closes, but the market's looking good. Axie Infinity's up 11.6%. Wow, fantastic. What is the all-time high on that again? I don't even remember. I don't even remember. Doge is still pumping 8%, 31, almost 32% on the week for Doge, guys. Holy crap. Mew, Cat in a Dog's World, meme coin, up 38% on the week. Not bad, not bad. A lot of people are complaining about there not being any movement in the market and sideways action, but guys, I gotta be honest with you. I'm like, there's a lot of movement. Nero's up 143%. Mog's up 130%. Mostly meme coins. Whiff's up 82.8%. Funky, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Mew's up 123%. Sui's up 67%. Aptos 66.8%. Brett's up 54%. Aerodrome is up 96%. Shib's up 44%. Ondo's up 36%. Popcat's up 97%. C is up 59.3%. Pith's up 23%. Guys, Tau is up 84%. A lot of these projects are running for like on the monthly, even on the weekly. Doge on the week's up 32%. Brett 23%. Meme coins are really running over this last month anyways. But that's good. Let's get it out of the way because Bitcoin is up 14% on the month. To all those people who were complaining at the beginning, I remember we were about 9 hours into October. 9 hours into October 1st. And people were complaining that Bitcoin was red, and they were like, so much for October. It's Overtober, man. Now we're up 14% on the month right now. We are officially in Pumptober, Uptober, baby. Moontober We are green for October, double digits green right now. Funky Garlinghouse is going live in 10 minutes. Is he? What's he going live about, I wonder? WF Capital, what's up, man? Good to see you. I'm her. Very nice, brother. Very, very nice. Freaking even Hex is up on the month 134%. I am not a fan of Hex. I don't dislike it, but I mean, it's pumping today, right? So she's a pumping. All right. So what is Brad Garlinghouse going live about? I didn't see anything on my X account about it. That's weird. I'll have to watch it later and see what he's talking about. When is Jasmy locking its coins? Jasmy lockup happens with the PDL. The coins get locked up with the PDL, so we're waiting for the PDL to launch for the lockups, my friend. They're also in talks with the exchanges in Japan for locking up tokens via partnership with the exchanges, but we'll see how that kind of goes. So, Funky, never mind. It was a recap. Oh yeah. Was that when he was talking with Thinking Crypto, Tony Edwards, something like that? Because I watched parts of that. So, yeah. All right. So, guys, what is happening here? Bitcoin is struggling. Quarter one. Yeah. Ripple Co. Okay. So Bitcoin, the bears and bulls are fighting right now over 58K. Well, more accurately, 50, more accurately, 69K. $69,000. Bears are trying to defend it, trying to stop us from breaking 69K. Bulls are fighting furiously to break through right now, guys. I got an article here I'm going to read to you. So short positions on Bitcoin are currently dominating on Binance, with 58.23% of accounts expecting the cryptocurrency price to drop. However, contrary to this bearish sentiment, a sudden price jump can occur if Bitcoin moves against the crowd, forcing traders to cover their positions. Now, earlier today, guys, on the Patreon, I was talking about, I believe, I want to say $32 billion are going to get liquidated if Bitcoin breaks 72K. That is going to be one hell of a short squeeze, guys, if that takes place. So if we can get up around that 72K level, break through all-time highs, I'm pretty sure it's like 32 billion. We were talking about it on the Patreon earlier today. Going to get liquidated, and that's going to propel us upwards, guys, big time. Bulls just have to get us there. Funky, I wasn't expecting memes to pump this soon. Nice surprise. Yeah, hey, absolutely. Memes will always surprise you, right? If Jasmy doesn't lock up its promised coins, it will not reach $1. Damn it. Their goal, Gain, I think you're being a little bit too worried about it, right? Like their goal, like they have incentivized the investors or the holders to lock up tokens to maximize TVL, right? No different than a project like Onyx Coin is doing, or Cardano did in the last bull run, right? Their DeFi, when their Jasmy wallet and the PDL are launched, I worrying about their TVL's not even going to be an issue. They're going to have a fantastic TVL in their ecosystem. Not only do people have to lock up tokens, but companies do as well to purchase data. So that's not even something that's on my radar, is something that I'm worried about, right? That's going to happen. It literally is part of the utility of the PDL. So Funky says, moving my meme profits into Jasmy. Nice. Hey, I love it when people take their profits on meme coins and roll them into utility plays, man. It's the smartest thing to do, right? Colton, yes, I caught a live finally. Helium Mobile, give me something, anything, update, price prediction. I love Helium Mobile, man. I am a holder of mobile. Let me look it up right now. Where is it? Helium Mobile. Yeah, I mean, Jesus, it's up 687% on the year. Holy crap. It's pumping 3.9% today. I am very bullish on Helium Mobile. They have a very unique utility and use case that they don't have a lot of competition out there for what they do, right? So I am very, very bullish on Helium Mobile. We'll see what happens. I mean, like I said, they don't really have any competition. They're like the chain link of their, you know, of their narrative, so to speak. Before this bull run, because before this bull run, Chainlink didn't really have any competition, right? So, but I am very, very bullish on Helium Mobile. Definitely, in my opinion, we could see anywhere from 8 to 11 cents, and my targets are obviously very conservative. So I always lowball it. So 8 to 11 cents would be but that would be a fantastic ROI either way, right? If you can stock up on a few million of those and you get them up somewhere, you get it around, if you can accumulate like, I don't know, 10 million, you get up to about 10 cents, man, you're walking away pretty, right? So absolutely. Roman, Jasmine, absolutely, man. David, time is money. We're making gains. Hells yeah. What do you think of Assemble AI? It goes up very quickly and then down. It has 2 billion circulation. Top high was 50 cents circulating. Sorry, currently 3 cents. It's on Coinbase. What's the market cap on it? What's the ticker? Assemble AI? No, I can't find it there. Let me see if I can find it. Assemble AI, here we go. If I zoom out on it, the monthly, I mean, it's only got a $57 million market cap. That's why the volatility can be so violent, right? But I mean, all-time high 16 cents. It says here on CoinMarketCap, 16 cents. Market cap all-time high was 247 million. I mean, I assume they're an AI project, right? Yeah, AI, generative AI, DWF Labs. They got some good listings. Yeah, this one will definitely smash all-time highs in my opinion. Most definitely. ASM, yes. Lily, what's up, yo? Yeah, but the all-time high, it says here on CoinMarketCap, oh yeah, 64 cents. You're right. Yeah. 64 cents. Well, I mean, it's 3 cents right now. I mean, a couple more centralized exchange listings for some liquidity. It's got Coinbase, Gate.io, but it doesn't have like your Binances or your MEXCs or your BitTrues or your L banks. Get some of those other listings in there for some more liquidity. The project could definitely run for sure. Okay, so back to this article. Data from Into the Block shows 19% surge in Bitcoin's active addresses to 764.38 thousand in the last 24 hours. This increase in market activity often indicates a rising interest in participation, suggesting a potential price move. The rise in action addresses, the rise in active addresses could hint at growing demand, adding some weight to the potential for an upward rally. Despite the dominance of short positions, liquidity data still shows a bias towards more bullish sentiment. One key price level to watch is 68,600, where 49 point, oh yeah, see, look at this, guys, $68,600 49.02 million in BTC could get liquidated, guys, in shorts. We are right. We are right on the edge. We're only about $200 away right now. Let me see. We are. Yeah, we are less. We're about $160 away from liquidating uh, $49 million in shorts. So that could cause us to slash or to smash up over 70K, right? If we break 68.6 and we liquidate 49 million in shorts, that could give us a short squeeze, shoot us up over 70K. So very, very bullish looking there. A renowned crypto analyst suggests if Bitcoin breaks through the immediate resistance level at 67.4, it could potentially surge to a target of 86.6. Wow. And we are definitely well over 67.4 right now. So it's looking pretty good. Funky, Sand was pumping nicely along with Mana. Any news on the meta stuff? No, I have no news on those, but I was actually going to be making a video talking about how those two projects specifically performed for me in the last bull run. How about Arc Block and Math? Arc Block. I haven't looked at Arc Block in a while. The hell's the ticker for Arc Block again? Oh, I got it. Never mind. ABT. Yeah. I haven't looked at this in a while. Ba, 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 ba. 160. It's only got $160 million market cap. I thought it would be higher than that. Wow. All-time high, $4.60. I am bullish on Arc Block. Total supply, circulating supply, a little over half, a little over 50% circulation. Yeah, Arc Block will do very, very well. I am a fan of Arc Block. It's already performed well, but the market cap's still so low, only 161 million. I thought it'd be higher than that. What was the other one? Math? Never heard of Math. Math's only got a $51 million market cap. $51 million market cap. Little over 50% of the supply in circulation. It is on Ethereum. All-time high, $3. Currently 44 cents. It's in the Cosmos ecosystem. Okay, that's pretty good. And the Polygon ecosystem as well. Coinbase, Radium, so Solana, Jupiter. Huh. Yeah. I mean, it's got a nice small market cap. Tokenomics are not bad. Lily says, double tap the screen to like the video. If BTC smashes 69K and stays above close to a week, we'll be in a good position. Hey, absolutely, man. Absolutely. My phone's falling on me here. There we go. Beebs, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Colton, in your opinion, do you think Jasmine will pump before XRP? Can we expect XRP to move late in the market? See, a lot of people say that about XRP, but a lot of people say that about every project. I've heard people say that about every single project out there. Well, you know, it's just a late mover and stuff like that. I mean, okay, whatever. But like the way that the market works is that narratives, they tend to flow in narratives. So XRP is likely going to run with layer ones, okay? Because it kind of, if you had to put it in a box, I think it would be a layer one, right? And I remember in the last bull run, XRP and Cardano ran together. They ran at the exact same time. I remember it like it was yesterday. and everyone was like, "Holy crap! Look at Cardano and XRP run. Like they're so layer ones, right? So whenever layer ones run, that's likely when XRP is going to run. So that's what I would keep an eye on is layer ones, right? If you want to know when that's going to pump. Jasmy, on the other hand, is a layer 2. It's an AI project, DPIN, RWA, IoT. So I mean, it's got a lot of different tags. So it's really going to depend on what the sentiment of the crypto investors community is when it comes to whatever narrative they feel suits Jasmy best, right? So there honestly is no real way of knowing which narrative is going to run first. You just have to be aware on a day-to-day basis, especially during altcoin season, which narratives are running and which ones have not run as of yet, right? Uh, Gain says Metaverse needs to come back. Oh, it will. Uh, you've held Sand and Mana since 2020. They'll come back. Sand will be a little bit harder. I don't think Sand's going to make it back to its all-time high, only because they diluted their circulating supply by like 30 or 40% or something like that throughout this bear market. So it's going to be a lot harder for Sandbox to get to its previous all-time high, but it will still perform really, really well though. So I wouldn't sweat it. Les, hey buddy. I need one more one. I need a one-on-one. Yeah, I'll get you in, my friend. I'll get you in. I saw your request over on the Patreon. We'll get you booked in on Sunday for a one-on-one. If you want to know what I'm talking about, guys, if you're on the Patreon, you get to book one-on-one coaching calls, and you also get to join our group video calls as well, where we all chat together. Very, very important topics we talk about, from the SEC lawsuits to decentralized exchanges to taking profits to portfolio structure and everything in between, guys, right? Everything you need to know. So join the conversation and get over to the Patreon. I will put the link in the description after I'm finished this live stream. So get over there, guys. High Street and Deso? What the hell is High Street and Deso? Oh, High Street. Yeah, I got some of this High Street. I got some High Street when they did their launch on Binance. I got that. And Deso. I think it's okay. Decentralized social. $55 million market cap. Tokenomics, about 80% in circulation. Volume's very, very low. All-time high is $475. It's $6 right now. 3 years ago. I mean, it's got BitTrue and Coinbase. It would need some more listings, honestly, to kind of get back to that market cap. But I'm not huge on the social cryptos, to be honest with you. What else do we got? Beebs. I've noticed a lot of people have been fighting. Oh, I lost you there. Been fighting Caspa as of late. What's your take? My take is this: haters gonna hate, ain'ters gonna ain't. Right? I have no fear about Caspa. In fact, I'm almost disappointed that we don't have more FUD around Caspa, because remember how much FUD there was on Cardano in the last bull run? People saying the exact same stuff, right? Cardano ended up going from like 3 cents to almost $4. So I never worry about what FUDders say, because 99.9% of FUDders don't do any research on the very projects that they're FUDding, right? That's why I don't take them seriously. If someone was to seriously do their research on a project like Caspa, then they wouldn't be FUDding it, because they would know everything about it. And you know, if they FUDded it then they would just kind of look stupid, right? Or at least come forward with a decent argument other than just what they say. Like, it's just a shit coin and stuff. Like, come on, man. Be better. Be better, right? It doesn't bother me at all, brother. It's 1 p.m. there on Saturday. Wow. Funky. The BRICS meet next week. Does BRICS affect? No. I'm not worried about. I don't think there'll be any volatility because of a BRICS meeting, to be honest with you. My guy. Last night I had a dream. Jasmine went to 39 cents. I was so excited till I woke up and realized it was a dream. I can't wait till Jasmine skyrockets again. It's gonna happen, brother. It's gonna happen. Beebs, I've been reading up on Ether. Basically, yeah, GPUs for AI. I know that their tokenomics are rubbish, but GPUs are needed for AI. Yes, I agree. I talked about Ether when they first launched earlier this year, I want to say. I talked about it on the member side. If you recall, you can go to the members videos, Beebs, and check out my thoughts on Ether. Just search through the library there. I did quite a few videos on it, I think, for the member side, at least a couple. Thoughts on NCT? I'll pick for you there, brother. Colton. Thoughts on NCT? NCT, that is, if I remember correctly, that is Polyswarm, right? Yes, Polyswarm. I was very bullish on Polyswarm about 2 years ago, and I was gonna fill a bag up of it, but I never did end up doing it because other projects just took priority. So I am bullish on Polyswarm for sure. Yeah, it's 100% of the supplies in circulation. I mean, it's only got a $35 million market cap. Utility is good on this one. All-time high was 17 cents. It's 1 cent 8 right now. Yeah. I can't remember why. Oh, I remember why I didn't end up picking any up, because it wasn't on any of the exchanges that I use. And I wasn't about to buy it on a MetaMask or anything like that because the gas fees were just outrageous. It's only on Coinbase, Gate.io, and MEXC. I need it to get picked up by like KuCoin or something like that, and then I'll probably stuff a bag of it just to have it, right? I do like Polyswarm very much. Gain, will the sorry, what does that say? Will off the grid kick off gaming cryptos? Well, they are. Listen, they're launching their own coin off the grid, and the funny thing, I know this is another thing I talked about in the Patreon earlier today. We did a group video call today, and I was talking about off the grid coming out with their own token very soon, and that a lot of people are going to be buying this token. There's a lot, because it's over on PlayStation and stuff like that, right? There's a lot of people who are going to be buying the coin, right? For in-game use from like PlayStation and stuff like that. And the funny thing about it is they're not even going to know that they're buying into a crypto. They're not even going to know they're buying blockchain technology. That's the future. We had a big discussion today over on the Patreon, guys. You got to get over to the Patreon. We spoke today about how crypto is outpacing not only the internet but mobile phones as well, right? And that's what led us into off the grid, and how people are going to be using blockchain technology in just like off the grid here, and they're not even going to know they're using blockchain technology, guys. That's the thing, right? That's how ahead of the curve you are. Most of the people that are playing it on PlayStation like that, they have no idea they're even buying a token that's could be an investment, right? They're just buying it so that they can use it for weapons in the game and skins and whatever else. So guys, get over to the Patreon. You're missing some very, very big important conversations over there, I'm telling you. Because tonight gaming crypto is going up. No rate cuts in November due to the good economic data. What's your thoughts? Did they announce that there's no rate cuts? I never heard anything about no rate cuts in November. I disagree. I think there's going to be 2 more rate cuts this year, if that's just kind of like an opinion comment. I think we're going to see 2 25 basis point cuts. I really, really do. As far as it affecting gaming, gaming will pop off not because of off the grid, but it will pop off soon enough. Nacho, hey man, been investing on this new Dex. I found it's really interesting and looks promising. It's called Cow Protocol. Recently added to Coinbase. Cow Protocol. I'm gonna have to look that up, brother. It's 4:15 a.m. in the motherland of England. Good night. Good night, Gain. It's good talking to you again, my friend. Nacho, it's only 20. It only has 26% tokens unlocked, but the max supply is 1 billion. That's not bad. M Nasty, any thoughts on Vet? I love VeChain. I think VeChain did a lot of fantastic stuff through the bear market. To be honest with you, partnering with the UFC, big deal, big deal. I am bullish on VeChain. Yes. Mobile. I already talked about mobile. You'll have to rewind the stream or rewatch it near the beginning of the stream. I talked about Helium Mobile. I am very bullish on it though. If you want my thoughts, check it out. Beebs. The way Turbo has been performing, they will definitely be a top 10. Heck, might even be top 5 this cycle. I agree. Turbo will do well. I don't think it's going to make the top 5, but I do get what you're saying. It will. It probably can at this rate replace, Leapfrog, no pun intended, Pepe, and, probably Shiba Inu eventually. So yeah, it is a fantastic pick for this bull run for sure. For sure. Love Turbo, brother. Bobby, what's up, man? Speaking of AI and GPUs, any thoughts on Parallel AI, PAI? PAI. Parallel AI. What do we got here? $37 million market cap, 100% of the supply. Well, there's only 100 million tokens? Wow. Crazy. All-time high was 50 cents. It's 36 cents right now. 2 days ago. How old is this project? Oh, this is like brand new, eh? It's only listed on Uniswap and MEXC. Yeah, this one's got potential. This one's got potential. I like it. It's got great tokenomics. It's an AI play, so it's got a good narrative. Yeah, seems like a decent play. Nacho, they're going to release the rest of the tokens in 2026. Nice. I would get out before they unlock more tokens then, brother. Joey, I got GPU stock. I believe it's a great play. Oh, absolutely. That just goes without saying, brother. Beebs, lots of big news this week from Stellar, MasterCard, and Paxos. Yes, I agree, brother. I agree. Absolutely. XLM is the bee's knees. Every time I see Jasmine circulating supply, it's chipping away their supply. Yes. Bullish. Bobby, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Beebs. Wow, nice, Bobby. Yeah, that's a good pick, man. Funky Bonk is on the run. I've been in and out. Yeah, Bonk will do good. What keeps it pumping? A lot of meme coins are pumping right now. I don't think it's not unique to Bonk. A lot of meme coins are running today. Bonk's up 5%, Doge is up 9.5%, Nero's up 3.6%. If you go to the monthly, they're all up over 100 and something percent, right? So it's a good month for meme coins. Elizabeth in the house. Stargazer, what's up, buddy? Do you think it's a good idea to sell my 4,600K work of Ethereum and buy Solana? Stargazer, I would say first question would have to be, are you in the red or are you in the green with your Ethereum? If you're in the red, then for me, obviously I can't give financial advice, but for me personally, I would never sell red, especially on a project that I know is going to pump again. But in terms of return on investment, you probably would get a better ROI from Solana than you will from Ethereum in this bull run. So, funky yearly. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna get back to work here. I'm sitting in the office, get some work done. Beebs, Rob, do you still think SUI hits my? Oh, of course. Fantastic project, guys. That one is going to run. Sui is the bee's knees. The bee's knees. We talked about it when it first launched on the member side. And I remember that when it first launched, there wasn't a lot of support for it in the crypto community. People were just kind of like, it is what it is. They had a good airdrop, I think. But yeah, they're not done dominating this cycle by a long shot. By a long shot, my friend. So yeah. But yeah, guys, I gotta go back to work. Listen, get over to the Patreon and join our conversations, guys. We're having some very, very important discussions over there. Very educational. Book a one-on-one coaching call with me as well. So get over there. As soon as the live stream's done, I'm gonna put the link in the description. So go check it out. Funky says, Beeb says Ondo looks like it's starting to move. Yes, Ondo is another one that's going to be massive. It's up 11% right now. Funky, love my Sui using my Crow. Stake rewards, grow my Sui. Nice. You're in the green? Yeah, well then I would definitely, if you're looking for a better return on investment, you're going to get better return on Solana than you will on Ethereum, in my opinion. So take that for what it's worth, right? So yeah. All right, guys, back to work for me. Get over to the Patreon, join the conversation, book your one-on-one coaching calls. We'll be doing those, and join our group video calls too, guys. They're so educational and so fun. I will see you guys tomorrow morning for the morning live stream.